Welcome back to Rush Drive, where engines never sleep, coffee is a lifestyle, and we chase cars like they're shooting stars across the night sky. Today we're diving into something big, something bold, something so reliable it could probably outlive half the characters of your favorite TV show. We're talking about the most reliable car in the world for 2026, the machine that edged out Subaru and claimed the reliability throne for itself. Yes, Toyota has once again flexed its legendary durability muscles and given the world yet another reason to say just take my money already. Now you know how car rankings usually go. One brand stumbles, another rises, someone adds a weird button on the dashboard that no one understands, and suddenly the world is arguing. But not this time. Toyota came in with the consistency of a monk and the heartbeat of a road warrior. The 2026 model line, especially this star right here, proves reliability is not an accident. It is engineering discipline mixed with a big cup of genius. Let's talk price first because that always hits before the engine does. Toyota has kept things fair, smart, and surprisingly pocket-friendly for something that could probably survive the next economic crisis. The cost depends on trim, of course, but the sweet spot gives you premium comfort, modern tech, and a driving experience that feels like butter melting on a hot pan. Not too expensive, not suspiciously cheap, just that perfect balance that Toyota loves playing with. Now specs. Oh yes, here comes the fun part. The 2026 Toyota brings a refined engine that feels more alive than ever. Smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet cabin, improved fuel efficiency, and that signature Toyota stability that makes you feel like the car is hugging the road. The suspension has been tuned just enough to handle potholes like they're minor inconveniences, not life decisions. You get upgraded safety tech, smarter sensors, and a dashboard that looks like it was designed by someone who actually drives, not by a committee in a conference room. And the reliability score, well, let's just say mechanics everywhere are going to miss seeing this car because it doesn't show up with problems. Features: this thing is packed like a suitcase before a family vacation. Wireless everything, screens that shine brighter than your future when you hit the lottery, a cabin that smells like fresh ambition, and seats that could probably cure back pain. It has driver assistance features that quietly help you without yelling at you. It has entertainment that turns traffic jams into mini vacations. And most importantly, it has the Toyota soul, that unbreakable DNA that basically says I will not quit. This is Rush Drive, your one-stop channel for car madness, gearhead joy, and pure automotive storytelling. If you love cars that roar, whisper, glide, or simply refuse to die, then you're in the right place.